Hello, welcome to week 1. This week, we're going to be talking about the Balanced Literacy Framework. Your outcomes for this week are to identify your beliefs about literacy and how those beliefs impact teaching, and to explain through writing the Balanced Literacy Framework for your licensure area. Welcome to week 1. This week we are talking about the Balanced Literacy Framework. Your outcomes are to identify your beliefs about literacy and how those beliefs impact teaching, and to explain through writing the Balanced Literacy Framework for your licensure area. Your tasks this week are to read chapters 1, 2, and 3 in Guided Reading by Fountas and Pinnell. Chapter 1 addresses what is guided reading. We hear so much about it, but what exactly is it? And they give you many examples to look at. Chapter 2 talks about guided reading within a multi-text approach. And in Chapter 2, Fountas and Pinnell discuss the levels of support that are needed for literacy learning. And Chapter 3 talks about going from shared to guided reading in the early years. And week 2, we talk more about shared reading and interactive read aloud. Please review the note on scholarly sources that is found in week 1 on Moodle. Also, you will find Oldentangie's view of a balanced literacy framework. Please post the introductory video of yourself in the introduction slot on Moodle. You have 2 discussion posts this week. Your initial response for each post, 1 and 2, are due by 11:59 p.m. on Wednesday. Your peer responses are due by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. Also on week 1, you will find the weekly assignment table. For your discussion forums, as I said, your initial posts are due by Wednesday at 11:59. You should be sure to cite 2 additional sources in addition to our course readings for the week. You are going to also respond to 2 students for Forum 1 and 2 students for Forum 2. Your discussion forums are each worth 20 points, and they will be scored using the discussion forum rubric, which is posted in each week of this course. So before you submit your discussion posts, please review the rubric so that you receive the maximum amount of points. To receive the maximum amount of points, one thing that you already know you need to do is to cite 2 additional sources in addition to our course readings. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. My email is flowersmd@mail.mvnu.edu. I want you all to be successful in this class. Thank you.